Hi guys, and welcome to another episode of June's Fare. Today I'm going to be making a jerk chicken recipe turned plain old barbecue chicken. So let's hop right into this video. You're going to need some legs, some chopped green onions, one whole jalapeno and 2 garlic cloves, a half an onion and a couple pieces of ginger, one whole lime, one whole orange, and your spices. You're also going to need some soy sauce and brown sugar. I just mixed mine right on together. So let's get started with this marinade. You're going to take your olive oil and pour it into your NutriBullet. And then you're just going to add all of the things that I just showed you. I'm starting with my jalapeno and garlic. Then I'm going to go in with my onion and ginger. And I just used a half an onion here, a small onion. Once that's good and added, I'm going to go ahead and add the juice of my lime. Then I'm going to go ahead and add the juice of 1 navel orange. Now the recipe called for orange juice, but I figured I could go this route and it'd be the same. Clean up as you go, folks. Clean up as you go. Alright. Next, I'm going to go in and I'm going to add my soy sauce and brown sugar. All of my spices. And then finally, I'm going to add in as many green onions as I can fit. Alright, now that we have all of that added, we're going to blend. And I think where I went wrong first was I blended too long. You want sort of a chunky marinade, not a full-on juice. So here I have my chicken. I've cleaned it thoroughly and I stabbed it just to make sure that that marinade seeps right in. Pour that right onto your chicken. Here, I was out of gloves and I was like, can I just shake this bowl and get it all over the chicken? Then I decided, nah, girl, you gotta get up in there. So you want to make sure that every piece of the chicken has been touched by the marinade. So go in, flip them, smack them, rub them down, lift that skin and get it all up and through there. Once you have that done, you're going to go ahead and cover your bowl. Now I had a lid for this bowl. I don't know why I was being extra for the video, but you're gonna go ahead and cover this bowl and pop it into the refrigerator and let it marinate as long as you possibly can. This is the second place that I went wrong. I only marinated my chicken for about 2 hours. Overnight would have been much, much, much better. That lid would have came in handy. Alright, so after your chicken has marinated, go ahead and put it on a lined baking pan with foil. And here it is. This is after it has baked, and I've added my barbecue sauce because